Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Celia and I do hair videos, makeup videos, and a little bit of fashion. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, as well as hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So today I'm going to show you guys my current wash day routine for my pixie cut. I'll be using the Dark and Lovely Damage Slayer line. This video is also sponsored by Dark and Lovely, so thank you so much. So the first thing I'm going to do is use their shampoo to wash my hair 2 times. Then I'm gonna go in with their conditioner and their Damage Slayer Steam Conditioner Mask, and I'm gonna put a what's it called? A plastic cap over my head, and then I'm gonna take a shower. Yes, I did. And then I'm gonna come out and rinse it. Then I will go in with their leave-in treatment, and then I'm gonna just mold my hair with the Nairobi. This is pretty much self-explanatory, like, you know, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just showing you the routine. Then I'm gonna mold with my Nairobi. Then I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video and just watch me style my hair. So I've been using these products since February, I think. Yeah, since February, and I really love them. Makes my hair really soft. And yeah, so I'm gonna put all the information in the description bar so you guys know exactly what I use, also to links to the products as well. And yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, as well as comment below and let me know what you think. And yeah, take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Can